Hello developers. In today's video we are going to make this flowing icon hover effect using CSS. So let's get started. So here is our HTML boilerplate. I have used font awesome for icons. So first of all let's set the icons. So next thing is the CSS. So let's write the CSS. Let me first remove by default padding and margin. Okay, so our body is ready. So for this unordered list container, let's give margin 0, padding will be also 0. Display text because we have to show item in row. Position will be absolute. From top will be 50% and left as well 50%. Now element will be shown in center. Also we are going to use transform. So according to screen size, element will be always center. Where this thing is done. Now let's write for container items. This style will be none. Margin from top and bottom will be 0 and for left right will be 15 pixel. Now icons have some space in between. For this anchor tag, position will be relative. Display will be float and height and width will be 60 pixels. Text align center. The line height will be around 63 pixels. Background will be black. Let's give some border radius of 50%. So basically it will become circle. Then we add some font size of 30 pixels. Font color will be black. Let's add some transition of 5 seconds so animation can perform it smoothly. The next is before pseudocode on anchor tag. Content will be empty. Position will be absolute. And top and left will be 0. And the width and height will be 100%. That's a border radius of 50%. The background will be transition for smooth animation. And transform will be scale of 0.9. Z index will be -1 so that this anchor tag will be step behind of foreground. Next is our effect. It's our own before. A transform scale of 1.1 and box shadow. Next is anchor tag hour. Color will be yellow. Let's say some box shadow 0.5 pixel and text shadow. As you can see, now it's glowing on our. Bye bye.